So we've got 100 square meters of honed limestone to do today. We've finished in this room. Oh, go on, I'll nip across. So there was a massive stain here, which we've completely removed. And you can see here we haven't done, here we have done. Quite a big difference. You can also, here you can see what the stone should look like. Nice natural. Here we've got this horrible old sealer that is discoloured and gone yellow over time. So we're removing all that today. It's going to be sealed later. It's coming up looking beautiful. But yeah, 100 square meters to do today. Here's Gemma working on this area. So this has been scrubbed and soaked, and Gemma's now power rinsing it all off. Right, here we are. We've just finished the cleaning of this limestone floor. It was 100 square meters we did today, so we had a team of 2 of us. Gemma and Andrew were here yesterday as well, just prepping the whole area. Then it was me and Gemma came out today. We've been working quite hard, but we've got it done in a day. This particular floor needed to be done quite quickly because there's some people moving in, so there's a lot of work going on. There's a load of painters and decorators and all sorts in the house as well today, so we've all been working around each other. We're going to be coming back over the weekend. Again, this one's a timescale thing, so we're going to be coming back over the weekend and sealing this. We're going to be sealing it with a natural impregnating sealer to keep this natural stone look. So we very much want to keep this lovely light natural stone look in here. So we're going to be using a product called, it's from Dry Treat. If you're in the trade, you'll probably know it as stain proof, but it's actually rebranded now as Premium Impregnating Sealer. We're approved applicators of the product, so we're going to be putting that down here. But as you can see, it's a fantastic space and a really lovely floor. Lovely smooth feel on it, and you can see all the natural patterns in the stone. Really makes it look beautiful. Is this so here, these little bits, they're little fossils. So you've got lots of little billion-year-old fossils in your floor. Fantastic. Anyway, that's us done here. Well, me done here. Max will be back over the weekend, as I said, to seal it.